Andrew, I've read your course and picked out quite a few interesting points. The first one is you mentioned that you should trade longer term and avoid any day trading or scalping kind of trading. Can you please elaborate a bit on this?
Yeah, I think the best way to make money is to follow longer term trends rather than day trading or scalping. If you're trading very short term, you're basically trading the volatility, the noise of the market. If you're trading long term trends, the odds are more in your favor. And you will actually have the potential to make more money and spend less time on your trading. The day trading and scalping myth has come around with people selling low risk, as they would say, courses with high reward. But most people who scalp or day trade, the odds are not in their favor, they will lose. If you look at the chart, you will see basic trends that go on for weeks, months. If you look into those, hold them, which you can do in about half an hour a day, you'll make more money and you'll actually have less risk.
So how come 90% of the traders lose?
The reason 90% of the traders lose is not because they can't learn to win, it's because they either lack the desire to get an education. But Forex is simple, so anyone can learn if they've got the motivation. But most of all, people actually lack the mindset to succeed. They're not disciplined and they're not confident when they trade. They tend to let losses run, cut their profits, and then lose.
I gather you're quite skeptical about advanced trading techniques and in favor of simple trading techniques. Why is this?
Very much in favor of simple techniques. I mean, advanced techniques sort of implies that you're going to make more money with them, but in Forex that's not true. Simple systems work best. And you'll hear a lot about people saying they use complex mathematical formulas to beat the market, but of course that's not possible because the markets don't move to mathematics, they only move to the odds. So you're only trading probabilities rather than certainties. So simple systems will always work better than advanced techniques. And you can prove it, because if you take 50 years ago, before we had the internet, instant price action, news at the click of a mouse, 95% of traders lost money. 95% of traders still lose money today, and 95% of traders will still lose money in 50 years' time. So any advances in technology have not improved the hit rate in Forex trading who wins.
Talking about odds, you like to compare Forex trading to poker playing. Why is this?
Because the skills you need to win at poker are the same skills you need to win at Forex. And many of the world's top traders actually came from a background of professional poker playing. And the reason poker players make such good traders is because they're not trying to beat the market. You know, like you see a lot of people trying to beat the market with complex systems and all the rest of it. They know they can't do that. All they can do is trade the odds. So what they do is most of the time they'll either be passing hands by or folding hands. So they're staying out the market or getting out the market quickly and cutting a loss if the odds are not in their favor. When they get a winning hand, they're obviously hitting it hard, trading it for all it's worth. So your poker player will understand in Forex you're going to lose more trades than you win. But you'll also understand that if you keep your losses small, stay out of trades that have got low odds, that his opportunity will come. He may not win that often, but he's going to make a lot of money from the hands that he wins. Right. Also, I think with a poker player is used to when he sits down at the table being on his own. And you only rely on yourself, your education, and your confidence and discipline to win. And I think most people have a problem making their own trading decisions because what they do is they want to follow someone else. And of course, they can't execute the trading signal with discipline because they don't have confidence in the method, or various factors come into play. So I think, your poker player is a great example of someone who would make a great Forex trader, right? And, if you can play poker already and you're good at it, you'd make a good Forex trader, right? Probably.